I took this out of the box. It was a little bit deformed just from like being in the box, folded up. So I gave it a good wash. I shampooed up by the lace, and then I conditioned it and put in some anti-frizz serum and then blow dry it. This is what my hair looks like before. So you can see very sparse through the top and sides of my hair. Put it over your head. And then flip to the top of your head. Just need to align the part of the topper with your natural hair part. Then go ahead and clip. You can go ahead and pull out some of your own hair, and that halo wire will sit right behind your ear. And honestly, you won't even feel it once you get it in the right position. And allow that to fall behind your ear. Pull out some of your natural face framing pieces. Same on this side. And then you can brush them together. You can make minor adjustments to your hair topper so that it fits a little bit better with your natural hairline. There's a little excess lace on the front there that I just cut off so it blends better with my natural hair. All right, this is it just thrown on after I washed it and blow dried it. Now, we just have to style it. Once you have it secured to your head, place a hand here to hold it in place. Give it a good brushing. See how much better that blends now that I cut that little extra lace off. It's honestly like hard to notice. Now we're gonna style it. This is 100% Burmese human hair, so it is safe to apply heat to it. And this goes up to 30. I usually keep it on the 10. Blending it with my natural hair, but I mean, look how seamlessly that blends. I try my best not to pull too hard on the hair topper while I'm curling it. So as I'm like letting the curls out, I'll go like this and just very carefully scoot it down without pulling too hard, just to hold the integrity of the topper for as long as possible. That blends. And voila! Make any adjustments you need.